In this quick guide, I'll show you how to provide your accountant or bookkeeper with secure access to your Gusto account so they can review payroll information, download reports, access tax filings such as Forms 941, 940, W-2, and W-3, and assist with accounting integrations without giving them the full ability to process payroll or make payments. Let's get started. First, logging into your Gusto account and click on Settings. Next, select People from the left menu. Once you're here, click on Add Person and select Collaborator. Choose Collaborator since we are adding an accountant or bookkeeper rather than an employee. Right here, enter the person's first name and last name and email as well. Any notes, if applicable. Okay, under relationship to your organization, select accountant. And under what will they help with, you can select provide advisory services, take care of taxes and reporting, and if applicable, settle my company on Gusto. Okay, and for the access level, the first step is to select limited access, and this will open up other options to set up the access. Okay, so now let's go through the permissions one by one. For benefits, you can choose full access if your accountant helps reconcile benefits expenses, health insurance, or 401k contributions. Otherwise, no access is perfectly fine. For bills paid, set both options to no access. Your accountant does not need the ability to create bills or make payments. So we're going to select no access for both. Okay, for HR resources, set this to no access since it is generally not needed for accounting purposes. For invoicing, select no access unless your accountant manages invoicing directly through Gusto. And for third-party integrations, select full access. This allows your accountant to assist with integrations such as QuickBooks or Xero. I forgot to put this to no access, so putting it back to it. Okay, and now for learning courses, select no access. For pay contractors, select no access unless your accountant is responsible for paying contractors through Gusto. Okay. For team insights, select no access. For performance review, select no access. For accounting integration, select full access. So yes, this allows your accountant to manage accounting connections and troubleshoot integration issues as well. And for payroll, so for payroll reports and tax filings, select full access. This is the most important permission for accountants because it provides access to payroll reports, payroll history, employee compensation reports, contractor payment reports, forms 941, 940, W-3, and W-2s, and other tax and compliance documents. Okay, so let's select full access. Okay, and for basic information, select view only. This allows your accountant to view employee information without making any changes. Okay, for hire and onboard, select no access. So we can leave that as is. Okay, for pay and work, select view only if your accountant needs to review compensation information. Otherwise, no access is also acceptable. And for documents, select only. This gives access to employee documents when when needed, uh, without necessarily allowing any modifications to this information. So let's select view only. Okay, and for time and attendance, select no access unless your accountant reviews or approves employee hours before payroll is processed. Okay, so once you have completed these selections, click Save Collaborator. Your accountant will then receive an email invitation with instructions to create their login and access information they need without having permission to process payroll or move money. Thank you.